One of the most unique features of Synvestable for accredited